energy consumption around the world is considered highly wasteful. A significant amount of energy, especially electricity, is wasted due to human negligence, such as forgetting to turn off appliances after use. This habit not only leads to energy waste but also increases electricity costs and accelerates environmental damage due to higher emissions from power plants. Therefore, many people are striving to find solutions to this issue. One effective method is using sensors as an alternative for energy conservation. Sensors allow electronic devices to operate automatically only when needed, thereby reducing unnecessary electricity usage.
One commonly used sensor in energy-saving system is the ultrasonic sensor. This sensor is often used in smart living systems, which are smart home technology that help to save energy and make life more comfortable. First, the automatic door. When someone walks near the door, the sensor detects them, and the door opens by itself. This saves energy and makes things easy, especially in public buildings.
Second, the automatic lamp. The lights turn on when someone enters a room or approaches the light source, and turns off when no one is present or when the person walks away. This is very effective in areas often forgotten, such as bathroom, storage rooms, or hallways. Third, the sensor faucet. The faucet automatically starts the water flow when hands are placed near it, and stops when hands are removed. This helps conserve not only electricity if a pump is involved, but also the water.
Fourth, the automatic hand dryer. This device activates when hands are detected below the sensor, and energy is used only when necessary and not continuously. So, how does the ultrasonic sensor actually work in these devices?
Sensor ultrasonic itu dia akan menangkap dan juga memantulkan suara ya, suara. Jadi intinya itu sensor ultrasonic itu dia akan mengeluarkan dari input berupa trigger. Nah, nanti trigger itu akan diterima oleh echo. Jadi kalau misalkan sensor ultrasonic itu salah satu contohnya ada HCSR 04. HCSR 04 itu dia ada 2 buah bola mata, di mana satu bola matanya itu berfungsi untuk memantulkan suara, satu buah bola matanya lagi itu untuk menangkap suara.
Why is this sensor good for efficiency smart living systems?
Menurutku cocok ya, karena suatu waktu itu kadang misalkan contoh di rumah ya, di rumah itu kadang kita lupa untuk mematikan air misalkan ya. Nah, dengan menggunakan sensor ini kita bisa mengautomatisasi dan juga bisa membuat otomatis secara langsung gitu. Jadi nggak perlu apa-apa lagi, tinggal nyalain sensornya, bisa menghindari air.
And more importantly, do these devices really help save energy?
Enggak, karena sensor kan perlu listrik juga ya, jadi mungkin perlu listrik tambahan juga daripada nggak pakai sensor ultrasonic.
Is the device hard to use in daily life?
Kalau pemakaian enggak, tapi nanti bisa aja kayak kalau misalkan kita ada di area tertentu, jarak tertentu, bisa aja kita nggak bermaksud pakai alat itu, tapi alat itu juga bisa aktif secara otomatis. Tuh, jadi nggak sengaja aktif gitu.
So, the conclusion is ultrasonic sensors work by detecting and reflecting sound waves, making them well suited for use in smart living systems as they can activate devices automatically. However, the use of sensors alone is not enough to save maximum energy because the devices still need electricity to operate. Therefore, optimal energy efficiency can only be achieved if sensors are supported by low power systems, smart usage settings, and if possible, renewable energy sources.
Ayo. Anjay.
Diri sekarang bukan profesional. Iya. Sudah cukup ya.
Ayo. Apa sih gua?
Kayak gitu, Kak.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bukan pengajian, Kak. Tasnya ditaruh dulu dong, Kak. Dah, yuk.
Apa gimana?
Perkenalan.
Langsung.
Iya, perkenalan langsung.
Kurang briefing dulu. Ayo, langsung ya.